guys, as you can see, I'm not at home. Y'all know where I'm at? I'm in Denver, Colorado. Yes, sir. So, if you're new to my channel, hi. My name is Nivea. You know, just about to give y'all a little house tour real quick, a little Airbnb tour. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And join my family because we love you all. The more the merrier. You know you want to join. Come on, join. So I'm about to give y'all a little Airbnb tour real quick. Excuse my dog, you know. But yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so this is the door. When you first walk in, you see the little table. Daddy, please be quiet. Just want to say hello? Say hi. Say hi. Okay, when you first walk in, you see the table. You know, these are little Clorox wipes. They're not included. But you have a little table that you can sit at. And then you have this little station that they set up that has hand wipes, mask, hands, and hand sanitizer, which is very, very helpful. And then you keep walking, and there's like a little candy bowl over there. You have the couch, the living area, the TV that is equipped with Netflix, Hulu, and Disney Plus. We love that. We have this little station here that says Walking in the Winter Wonderland, and it is just so pretty. Then you have the Christmas tree. This is my favorite ornament. Ew, 2020. You have a little couch right here. Then this is the whole entire kitchen. This is our snack bags, you know. But yeah, fully equipped with everything that you may need. And it also have Alexa. Hey Alexa, tell me a joke.
What's the coolest element in the periodic table? Brilliant.
Yeah, and she also can change the lights up there. Hey Alexa, change the kitchen lights to red. Yeah, buddy. So yes, we love that. And then we just have the refrigerator, and you have a washer and dryer, and another little closet down there. And then you work your way upstairs. You have hooks so you can hang your stuff. And you go upstairs. And you have the first room. So in this room, you have a desk with a seat. And you have a king size, I think this is, king size bed. And then it has nice little art. Comes with a fan in the room. And then you also have closet space, and they supply you with drawers and hangers. Then you leave this room, and here's the first full bath. Comes with everything that you may need. Shaving stuff, lotion, Q-tips, cotton pads. And then there's like towels and stuff in here. Comes with shampoo if you forget. A little basket. And then yeah. So then you go some more. And this is the master bedroom. So you have the bed. This opens. You have a nightstand there. A nightstand here. Then you come into the bathroom. This is the bathroom. Comes with shampoo once again. And then, yeah, this is like a little area. Has drawers, cabinets, and more storage space. And then you have your hangers, and then another storage area, like a closet. And then you come to the third floor. And this is where I sleep. So you have the bed. You have the TV mounted on the wall, which is very pretty. This is like a little bar area. You know, these lights light up. It's very, very nice. You have a little chair there. This is a speaker. There's a speaker in this room and in the master room. Then here's the bathroom with lighting. You love it, right? And then cabinet for storage, more storage, and then closet to hang up your things. So, you know, that's just where my stuff is at. And then my backpack and things like that. And then you go outside, because I have a balcony. And then you have like a mini view. Look at the mountains. That's so pretty. And then like the little city part of it. But yeah. And then you come back inside. Ooh, it's pretty cold, kinda. Not that cold though. Gotta lock the door, you know, crazy people. Then you go back downstairs. And then you're back where we started. So if you think the Airbnb is nice, then give it a big thumbs up because I really appreciate it. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more vlogs and videos that include Colorado, because best believe I will be giving them to you. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment below something that you would want me to do or anything that you want me to know. And remember, when you walk into the room, you can cherry on top. Bye.